Welcome back mga kajabagab! Today, we have been challenged by two of our good friends from Iligan City, Mr. Nino Torino
and Mr. J.R. Machugapito Amado,
to make our own version of chicken biryani. So, challenge accepted! Let's begin!
Oh no!
Today, we'll be making a chicken curry biryani recipe. First, we need to wash and soak the basmati rice for at least half an hour. Let's heat the pan. Pour some oil. Onions in. Cook until brownish in color. Just like this. We can now put the chicken. Cook for 7 to 10 minutes. Now let's add 3 teaspoons of chicken curry masala, then mix and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Then mix and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Add a little bit of water, then followed by 1 piece chopped tomato. Cook until the tomatoes soften. And add 170 grams of yogurt or more. Some, they use curd. Then mix thoroughly for at least 2 minutes. You can add a teaspoon of chopped fresh coriander and a teaspoon of fresh mint. Then mix. Let's add some chilies, but this is optional. Cover the pan and cook for 15 to 20 minutes in a low-medium heat. After 15 minutes, the chicken is now ready. So we need to prepare our basmati rice. Heat the pan, add 2 liters of water, bring to boil. Add some fennel and cumin seeds, 4 cloves, 4 cardamom, and 2 cinnamon sticks. Then toss the soaked basmati rice and only cook 90%, not totally cooked. Now, we'll drain the water. Get again a pan, divide the rice into 2. Put the half first, then top with chicken. Then top with another layer of rice. Just like this. Add some homemade chicken oil or food color. And some mint leaves. Cover the pan, then cook again for 5 to 7 minutes in a low heat. Now it's done! Then let's do a little bit of mixing. Then serve hot. Voila! You now have your homemade chicken biryani recipe. So delicious! Our homemade chicken biryani. Challenge done! Thanks for watching mga kajabagab! Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified for our next video. Bye-bye!